This is our Someday Soon jar. And this was given to us by the Toledo Jewish Federation, but you can make one too. All you have to do is take a jar and write on it, Someday Soon. This is our Someday Soon jar. And anytime we think of something that we can't do yet, that we want to do someday soon, we write it on a paper and fold it up and put it in the jar. So all of the ones that are folded, those are things we want to do someday soon. So, for example, my friend Jenny, she read me a book that was about an orchestra, and it reminded me of how much I love going to see the Toledo Symphony Orchestra at the Peristyle, and I miss it, and I wish I could go, but I know someday soon I'll be able to go. So I'm going to write on the paper, going to the Toledo Symphony Orchestra, and I'll write it after this. And after I write it on this paper, I'll fold up the paper, and I'll put it in the Someday Soon jar. And someday soon, when we're able to do all of these fun ideas we have, we'll be able to take them all out and read them and do them one by one. So if you want to do a Someday Soon jar, you can too. Super fun. My family's enjoying it.